In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Duckduckgo your default search page in Microsoft Edge. This change will enhance your browsing experience by prioritizing privacy and providing unbiased search results. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Edge. You can do this by clicking on the Edge icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. This step gets us started on the journey to customizing your search settings and enhancing your browsing privacy. Once you have Edge open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. You will notice three dots just below the X that closes the window. These three dots signify the settings menu. Go ahead and click on this icon. As soon as you do, a drop-down menu will appear, providing a list of options. Here, you'll want to select Settings. This action will take you into the configuration settings where you can manage how the browser functions. Next, you'll see a variety of categories listed on the left side of the screen. Look for Privacy, Search and Services and give it a quick click. This menu focuses on security and customization, allowing you to tailor how Edge interacts with the information you seek online. Now focus your attention on the right pane that opens up next. You'll want to scroll down until you find Search and Connected Experiences. Click on this and it will expand more options beneath it. Right amidst them you will find Address Bar and Search. Click it. We are getting one step closer to our goal, as this section primarily deals with the mechanics of search within Edge. Finally, you'll see a drop-down menu labelled Search Engine used in the address bar. Click on this drop-down and you will be presented with a list of search engine options. Your task here is to select DuckDuckGo. By doing this, you are setting DuckDuckGo as your default search engine, which is great for privacy-conscious individuals, and just like that, DuckDuckGo is now your default search engine in Microsoft Edge. This means every time you search using the address bar, it automatically redirects to DuckDuckGo, offering you a more private and transparent online experience. If you ever decide to switch back to a different search engine or explore other options, you can simply follow these steps again and choose whichever search engine you prefer. Remember, this setting is not permanent and can be adjusted as your preferences change. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found this guide simple and easy to follow. Enjoy browsing with greater privacy and security on Edge. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.